radiation, isotope, fission, fusion, pile, radioactivity, neutron, gamma rays, solar power, transistor, automation. A new language has come into currency. To the public, it is a language of the future. To the scientist, a language of the present. This, then, is a report on our present future. Some of it profound, some of it mere gadgetry. Lights go on.
Got our mountain men over here. Got a wee little song. Let's take a look at our mountain men. Mountain men working very hard. Oh, I just got a piece of wood in my face. Tyler.
She said.
Yeah, unfortunately, it is what I said. Look at them just going at it. Yeah. Just hacking. Look at this shitty little axe here. Like a beaver. Rushi here, modeling for the team. We got Mr. Lumberjack Bill here. Raw. Oh, good boy.
You guys can't.
You're gonna eat your yucky potatoes.
No.
And we're gonna eat our pasta.
Damn.
I
want their potatoes. I don't want your food.
No, it's fine. She's got some like tuna salad and a little sandwich bag that she keeps in her purse. And she just keeps it with her. She has buttered chicken in her purse. Right? Buttered chicken.
You're
Carefully, you can hear the sound of a
Butter chicken opening.
I'm gonna burn the woods down, guys.
Burn the woods down?
I'm gonna burn the woods down.
He said, please burn the woods down.
Tell me something evil in French.
I don't think he actually knows how to speak French. He mainly knows like 3 sentences of French. Doesn't like to pull them out because he's gonna get busted.
It sounds so ingenuous.
Comment ça va? It's harder when a camera's in your face.
Yeah.
But we need to prove to the world that you're not a liar. Caca! We got Zane here with fucking Verizon.
Verizon, man.
Going hard.
Streaming YouTube right now.
Yeah, somebody commented on somebody else's post.
Damn, bro.
Yep.
It's important.
Hella important.
I think your dog might be a furry.
I think so.
You could be like really into it.
Bong Slide is under the impression that Lugna is a furry.
I'm quite positive.
Pussy.
So what happened last night? Can you like give us a little rundown about what happened? Like with our food and our sleeping?
So like 4:30 clicked, and all I could hear was crunching coming from the campsite, and either Miss Creature was up having a snack, or there was a beast among us. So I went out there. I hightailed it out. You know, I put my skivvies on. I didn't want to flash Danger Man to anybody, and I headed out here. Made myself some bear noises, and you know, I'm a hero. You know, it could have had rabies. I'm just saying. You know, I shouldn't. You know, I'm not saying that I should get a parade, but I should get a parade.
Okay.
I think so.
Okay.
I think the council could agree.
Yeah.
Yes, excellent.
I woke up to beast outside.
Yeah, the noises last night were like pretty intense. I thought there was a bear outside. I thought it was just like, yeah, I thought definitely we had a black bear or something. But it was just a fucking fat raccoon that stole all of our dog's food.
Fat coon.
All of our dog's food. And it was eating it up in the tree, which is excellent because Tyler was throwing sticks at it to try and get the food back.
That wasn't me.
It was pretty good. I was gonna wake up and come out like and video it, like I gotta get this. All of it, the whole bag. It had like at least 6 to 7 cups, like 2 days worth.
It's like a full bag.
Full
like
bag.
that big.
Yeah. Put the whole thing up there.
I just smashed it.
This is what happens when you go camping with drone pilots.
They go to bed early because they got up too early to shoot a golden hour shoot that they really started way too early on. It's unfortunate. I crashed a lot today.
Said that like 5 times.
Yeah, I did. I sent it.
Diaries.
You know what? I
Rishi.
fucking sent it.
You crashed the thing.
Yeah, I crashed all the things and I fucking sent it. And you know what? I have no regrets.
No regrets.
I have no regrets.
Rushini out.
Rushini out.
Lugna, what are you doing?
Yes, you got my axe back.
Yes, he's back.
Come. Did you puke all over the tent last night? Lugna got drunk last night and puked all over the tent. Well, inside of it. It was really gross. Above our head, at the end, on the blanket. He was eating things at the hot springs he should not have been, like a bitch. So we got bike guy showing up with warming the batteries. What a good guy, bike guy. We're stealing all of them.
borrow one or two.
Oh, nice.
Probably won't go through all of them.
Thanks.
Most of them are 4S packs. The only 3 that are different are the ones on the left of those 6S packs. But
Okay. Wow. I wish I had that many batteries. In the sun. And we're about to watch Bong Slide rip the pipe.
Bongside's gonna fly all the packs today with you smiling like blue.
Yep. That was weird. It's flying. Damn this man.
Was that the road that we came in on up there?
Yep.